So I'm back after a month and I'm sick again. So I was sick the last video you saw me in, I was sick there and it went away, but now it's back. So that's fun. So if the video goes like out of focus or something looks off, I'm just letting you know that I'm looking off the viewfinder of my camera and somehow that shit got broken and it doesn't like, when like I turn it, like when you turn like the camera thing like towards me, it usually like flips the screen, but it doesn't do that anymore because my sister did some weird shit to it and now it doesn't work. So I'm looking at myself upside down right now, so if anything's off, I'll try to fix it. Probably won't happen. I haven't filmed like a YouTube video in a month just because school sucks. I hate it. The first month of school was not the best month of school. I'm not thriving in school. Kind of sucks, but I just fucking hate it. Yeah, so I've been basically I've been caught up in school, and now that it's Halloween, well actually it's a couple days from Halloween, I was just like shit. Like I have to do something, like I have to like do a look or like do something like that, you know what I'm saying? Just because like it's almost Halloween. So I was planning on like filming like last week a Halloween look, but like I literally like nothing in my like fucking like mind like pieced together. Like I couldn't like think of a Halloween look for some reason until like I sat down like an hour ago. I sat down and I started playing with makeup. No, actually yesterday I thought of like, this look is really not that hard. It's literally 2 shades on the eyelid and a lip. You could take it extra if you want to, but I just want to keep it like how it is. Mostly because I don't really have anything else orange that's like sparkly or anything. So I'm first gonna go in with this Huda Beauty palette right here. It's the rose gold texture, whatever the fuck it is, the first edition. And I'm just gonna use this shade right here. It's the black shade called Black Truffle. So on one of these Anastasia brushes that comes in their palettes, I'm gonna take, sorry if I sound nasally, as I told you I'm sick, so, you know, I'm going to take this side, this kind of like packer brush, and I'm gonna take Black Truffle and I'm going to like place it on like the outer corner of my eye and like bring it up, because this look does involve a lot of black, which could scare people, and I understand that. That's why this video is going up on Tuesday, so you have enough time for the night to practice for Halloween in case you want to do this look. Probably not, but you know, maybe. So I'm gonna take the black and just kind of like blend it in. Okay, sorry. And blend up. And then on the other side, this side, I'm just going to blend it out. And I'm not gonna like blend it out into the whole like crease area because nah, bitch. Basically half the eye is going to be black and the half is going to be orange. So we're basically just gonna focus this on the outer corner and blend up. Blend up and out. Just because it is a Halloween look, I feel like, you know, more cat eyes and just like more boldness. Well, actually I just do that all the time, but you know, for Halloween's sake, you know. And then use your black at your own risk. You know, don't use too much, don't use, actually yeah, just don't use too much shit. I was gonna say don't use too little, but bitch, you should be using a little bit, you know. Unless, like, if you're a beginner and stuff like that, and you know how to, like, if you're a beginner, use, like, very small amounts and build up, but if you, like, if you know how to deal with black on your fucking eyes, then you'll be fine. You low-key want to, like, blend it in to the inner corner, but very lightly. But still, like, blend up, blend out. Kind of just like this, you know. Once this part of the eye is done, we're gonna go into the orange. Now this is the palette I think everyone should have. This is the Morphe 35B palette. It's just this huge fucking color palette. It literally has like every single fucking shade in the rainbow, bitch, and more. There's multiple blues, multiple yellows, multiple pinks. One red though. Kind of concerning. But I'm gonna be using this shade right here. This is the orange shade. So I'm gonna take my Tarte Shape Tape and this Pot Beauty brush. It's their shadow brush. I'm just gonna take like a little bit of concealer, not like a shit ton, because we're not gonna cut out the crease. I just want to place something there for the shadow to stick on, just because I feel like it will fall off my eye if this is not like if there's nothing to like for the shadow to stick on. So something a little tacky. I don't think with mattes, do not lick your brush, you know what I'm saying? So we're just gonna pop that on there. Just like that. This is literally a fucking pumpkin. Oh my gosh. I need a fucking close-up mirror because I'm gonna fuck up. So basically pat that shade down like on the lid area. And I don't really know what the fuck brush that is. It has like a name, but literally no one knows that fucking brand. But anyway, on a Morphe M562 brush, it's like a little blendy brush. I'm gonna take that orange shade as well and just tap off a little bit and kind of like blend the orange up into the crease. It's really simple, it's really not that hard, it just looks really good, you know? So yeah, I definitely recommend wetting with some concealer. I definitely recommend putting on some concealer right here just so it will stick on, because I just know, bitch, trust me. If you don't put that concealer on, bitch, it's just gonna kind of fall off. And you're just gonna be reapplying and reapplying and reapplying. Eventually it'll get crusty and then it won't come on your eye anymore. So just make it easy for yourself and listen to my directions. Since you are watching this video and you are trying to learn, just trust. Just put a little bit of concealer on and it will make it stick on there for a lot longer. That shit will not fall off. Okay, so now I'm actually gonna mix a little bit of brown like right here, just so there's like a kind of like a blend. So we're gonna use a little bit of the Scandalous palette, the Subculture palette. I literally bought this and I don't think I've really ever used it, just cause like when I bought it, like these were not the colors to use, you know, for the season. So I'm gonna take Fudge in this palette, because that's more of a warm tone kind of brown, and that will blend, it will make it look a little better with the orange. And I'm just gonna take that right in there. I'm just gonna blend it with this brush. And just kind of like blend everything together. So literally that was it. You can add some liner if you want to, but I'm not going to, just because I know the lashes I'm gonna be using, they're big. So this is basically it. I'm gonna do the other eye off camera and I'm gonna come back with lashes on. And basically also I'm gonna do my under eyes as well. But the same thing as the top, put black like right here and then put orange right here. And I'm probably gonna do like gold like right there. I'll be right back. Okay bitches, so it's been 2 seconds for you, but it's been an hour for me because I was talking to my friend and we were like spilling the tea. But I put lashes on. They are Lonnie Lux lashes, and the ones that look like this. And then I just put black on my waterline and some mascara on, and I put gold in my inner corner. I don't know what gold I use, I just fucking put it on there because I needed something. But I have a couple friends that want to say something. Wait. Okay, hold on. I'm like dead serious. I'm actually gonna put this in my video. Like, I'm not even playing with you.
Please.
Okay, so that was my friend Danica and my friend Eva. I mean, I guess I'll like put their Instagram down below and all that stuff. Anyway, so yeah, this is how the eyes look. These lashes are from Lonnie Lux Lashes. I just forgot what style they are. Sorry, but they're like longer at the ends than like, they're the cat eye, fuck, I'm so sick. These are like the cat eye kind of lashes, so definitely check them out. They're really good lashes, long, up to the brows, so we love it. And when I also put on primer, I put on Professional Primer here, 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 and here. All like the main like parts, like the front parts of your face, and I set it in with some powder just so we can stay matte. So now let's move on to foundation. So for foundation, I'm just going to be using the Maybelline 24 Hour Foundation in 120 Ivory. And I'm just going to use my Beauty Blender, and we're just going to, just like put this on our face. since we're low-key, since we are like kind of looking like a pumpkin, you might as well just get this face like, oops, you might as well just get this face bronzed as fuck, because shit, we already looking like a pumpkin on our eyes, bitch. Might as well just take it all the way, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so the face is done. Bronzer, blush, highlight, bitch. That should look good for Halloween, you know what I'm saying? So now we're gonna do lips. I'm using Jeffree Star's Holiday Collection, Crocodile Tears. This is from 2 years ago, and I don't really know how long lipsticks expire, but it still works, so I'm gonna use it anyway. So let's put it on, and then the look will be done. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. If my lips look a little fucked up, it's because I really cannot do my lips without lip liner. Like, I realize that now. Like, colors, like I cannot do it without a lip liner, and I don't have a green lip pencil. So if they're looking a little fucked up, whatever, you know, whatever. So yeah, this is the end of the video, and this is the look. So if you like it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, like this video if you liked it, obviously, bitch, duh, and then check out all my social links. And yeah, I really had fun filming this video. Sorry that I haven't posted in a while. Life, you know, and there may be, I'll let you know on my social medias if there's a video tomorrow, so definitely, if you want, you know, description. So.